A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to class 11th economics. So we are doing the chapter arithmetic mean, and almost we have come to an end for calculation of arithmetic mean, calculation of missing frequency when arithmetic mean is given. When arithmetic mean is given. So ultimately we are going to compute the missing frequency when arithmetic mean is given. That means we will be given a question, and in that question what we will find is one frequency will be missing, right? One frequency will be missing, and already in the question we will be given the arithmetic means answer. That means answer will be there in the question itself, and question will ask us to find out the missing frequency in that question, right? क्वेश्चन हमें पूछेगा कि उस क्वेश्चन में मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी को फाइंड आउट कीजिए. दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना होगा. So I'm taking one question of that. So in the first column what I see is wages are given to us, suppose, and in the second column there is number of workers. So number of workers पूरा लिखने के बजाय can I write it as frequency, because we all know that number of workers is of course none other than frequency only. So what I find in the wages, I find in the wages, I find wages are given such as 10 to 20, 20 to 30, ठीक? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. So these are the wages given to us. ये हम लोगों को wages दी हुई है. And what frequency is given? The frequency is given as 5. The frequency is given as 3. The frequency is given as 4. Next is question mark. Why? Because we have not been given the frequency in the class interval 40 to 50, right? Next is given 2. Then next is there 6. And last but not the least given to me is 13. So this is the frequency that is ultimately given to us, that we have to compute this missing frequency in 40 to 50, right? But one more information with this is given, and the information you can write in your notebook, that is given is the frequency of the class interval 40 to 50 is not known. That we can easily see as question mark is there in the frequency in the class interval 40 to 50. And side by side, if it is given that if the arithmetic mean of the distribution is 52, mind it, if the arithmetic mean of the distribution is 52, so arithmetic mean is already given to us. ध्यान रहेगा? ठीक है. चलिए, let's start solving the question. Now if it is given to you and a question says to find out mean, as the question is of continuous series, I would have opt for direct method, है ना? Why should I go for indirect, shortcut or step deviation for long process? I would definitely go for the direct method only. Just go for the direct method, and once you go for the direct method, what we observe? We simply observe by going to the direct method, and that is find out mid value, है ना? We simply have to go for finding out mid value. Can I call it m only? तो हम उसको m ही call कर लेते हैं mid value को. चलिए m निकालते हैं. 10 to 20 mid value will be 15, then 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. This is the mid value. This is the mid value. ये हम लोगों को mid value दी हुई है. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, and 75. This is given as a mid value in this series. I mean, we have computed, because in the direct method, we already know that in the continuous series direct method, the formula is simple summation fm upon summation f. So m we have computed. Now what next I have to compute? What next I have to compute in that? After m, I am of course going to compute is fm. Very good, because we require fm to be computed. Let's find out fm. Now when I find out fm, I'll clearly see f is 5, m is 15. So 15 into 5, that is 75. Then 25 into 3, again 75. Then 35 into 4, and that will be 35 into 4, 140. Then 45, acha 45 into question mark, because us time pe udhar to we have not been given the uh, frequency. तो can I call it 45 into f? तो उसको 45f लिख देते हैं हम लोग. Because let's treat it as f only, because we have to find out that. So 45f. Okay, next 55 into 2, 110. Then 65 into 6, 65 to 30, 3 carry 36, 390. So that is your frequent fm. Then 13 into 75, 75 into 10, 750 plus the 975. All right, so fm is computed already. यहाँ तक कोई डाउट? क्लियर टू ऑल? अच्छा, अभी नेक्स्ट क्या करना है हमें वो भी पता है. फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. एंड फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई करना है, वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट ऑल्सो, कि फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई करना है. ठीक है, तो जरा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं हम लोग. फॉर्मूला के लिए वी ऑलरेडी नो कि फॉर्मूला क्या है. समेशन एफ एम अपॉन समेशन एफ, विच मीन्स मुझे किस चीज की जरूरत है. इसका मतलब है कि मुझे एफ एम के सम की जरूरत है. तो जरा देखें एफ एम का सम क्या आ रहा है. एफ एम का जरा सम करो तो what fm sum is coming. If I see कितना sum आ रहा है, तो clearly 75 plus 75 plus 140 plus 110 plus 390 plus 975. एंड बेटे 45f को डिफरेंट रखना, क्योंकि 45f वाला एलिमेंट हमें नहीं पता क्लियर, तो दैट वुड बी डिफरेंट. उसके बिना बताओ मुझे कितना सम है. दैट इज 1765. 1765. सो अल्टीमेटली इफ आई सी, तो यहाँ पर आपका आ रहा है 1765 प्लस. प्लस क्यों? क्योंकि जो 45f था दैट वाज डिफरेंट, उसको अलग से लिखा मैंने. सो 1765 प्लस 45f, दिस इज योर सम ऑफ fm. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल टिल नाउ. ठीक, ओके. लेट्स गो फॉर द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मीन. तो जरा मीन का फॉर्मूला लगाते हैं अब हम लोग. मीन का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे हम लोग. अब मीन का फॉर्मूला, मीन के फॉर्मूले के लिए अगेन वी ऑल नो दैट x बार, दैट इज अरिथमेटिक मीन, x बार इज इक्वल्स टू, x बार इक्वल्स टू में कितना आएगा, इज इक्वल्स टू summation sigma fm upon summation f. तो ये आपका आ गया summation fm upon summation f. Clear? Now put the value in the formula only. कुछ नहीं करना, just you have to put the value in the formula. Once I put the value in the formula, what I get is mean was already given in the question. Mean was already given in the question, and that was given 52. Very good. I'm getting the answers already in the chat box. That's too good. Now summation fm. summation fm I already computed, that is 1765, जो ऑलरेडी मुझे क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, आई मीन मैंने निकाल लिया है, 1765 प्लस 45f, ठीक है ना, ये मैंने ये मेरे पास आ गया, डिवाइडेड बाय करते हैं जरा इसको, डिवाइडेड बाय summation f, what is the total of f, अगेन मुझे f का भी टोटल अब इस तरह बेटा निकालना होगा, अगर मैं f का टोटल निकालूं तो what I get is 5 plus 3 8 plus 4 12 plus 2 14 plus 6 20 plus 13 33, ठीक है, that is 33, now 33 क्योंकि f भी है साथ में ना, तो 33 plus f रहेगा, ये चीज ध्यान रखना, that will be 33 plus f, so that is 33 plus f. यहाँ देखिए अब टेक्स्ट ही कर देता हूँ इसमें, 33 plus f, wait, 33 plus f, ठीक है, अब ये भी आ गया मेरे पास, तो नीचे भी इसमें लिख दो, नीचे यही सेम 33 plus f, नीचे भी आपका आ गया 33 plus f, अब देखो ये मेरे पास आ गया, now this equation has come to me and according to this equation simple, ये मेरे पास equation बन के आ गई है, what I have to do is I have to just solve out this equation only, yes, I have to solve out this equation only, because once I solve this equation I'll get the answer, but question arises how to compute, how to solve this equation, this equation can easily be solved by cross multiplication, हमें पता ना, this is the basic rule, we'll just go for cross multiplication only, this is not 33 plus f, this is 33 plus f, not 5, 33 plus f, ठीक, so we have to just solve the equation by cross multiplication, 52 into 33 plus f will be equals to 1765 plus 45f, क्या करेंगे हम, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं, इधर तो 1 रहेगा, तो आप क्या देखेंगे, let me just take the text box and tell you all, देखो this will be 52 और ब्रैकेट में आ जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए 33 plus f, ठीक, which is ultimately equals to now 1765 plus 45f, यहाँ तक क्लियर है, अच्छा, now 52 into 33, just compute 52 into 33, that what we are getting, once I do this 52 into 33, the answer is 1716, so 1716 plus, now 52 into f भी रहेगा वहां पे, so 52f, ठीक है ना, equals to, which is equals to ultimately 1765 plus 45f, clear, next step में आ जाओ, what I will do next step, f वाला एक तरफ दूसरा एक तरफ, very common thing, 52f minus 45f, which is equals to 1765 minus 1716, ठीक, so 52 minus 45, that will be 7f equals to 1765, 65 minus 16, that will be 49, all right, so from here what I get, f is equals to 49 upon 7, that will be 7, this is answer, so f is equals to 7, this is the answer which we are getting, is it clear to everybody, this is the answer which we are getting, I hope this is clear to all of you, that how to compute missing frequency in case of continuous series when frequency is not known to us and we have to find out the missing frequency in the given question, and easily just by applying the formula only we will be able to find out the missing frequency in the question. If you have any doubts, kindly write in the chat box. Otherwise, I will move to the next question. And if it is clear, then also please write in the chat box it is clear, so that I'll just move to the next question. Okay, good. It's clear to all. Fine. Let's move to the next question also, only. अभी देखिए इस question पे आते हैं. Also in the question what you have to do is same again, but this time the discrete series is given, and you will find one new thing, that instead of frequency the x will be missing. ठीक. So this is given as wages and frequency. Wages are 110, 112, 113, 117. Then question mark is given. Okay. Then 125, then 128, and 130. So wages are given 110, 112, 113, 117, question mark, 125, 128, 130. सीधा clarity is there. We have to find out the question mark. But again, the frequency is also there. So let us see what frequency is given. If I talk about the frequency, this is 25. And after that, the next given is 17. Okay. The next given is 13. The next given is 15. Even when the question mark is given, the frequency is given that time 14. Even at the question mark x, 14 frequency is given to us. Then 8, and at 128 is 6, and at 130 is 2. Clear? So this is given to us. बेटे ये हम लोगों को दिया हुआ है. अभी क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग, इसके आगे भी इंफॉर्मेशन दी है क्वेश्चन ने. व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन? द अरिथमेटिक मीन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सीरीज इज 115.86. प्लीज नोट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. द अरिथमेटिक मीन of the following series is 115.86. That is 115.86. And question is saying find out the missing value, where the wages were missing, wages, one of the wages missing, and frequency is there in the question, right? Let us start finding out. So what do you observe that which class series it belongs to? Of course it belongs to discrete series, because first of all the class intervals are not there, and secondly with x and f both are given, so that is of course discrete series. All right. Now how do I find the discrete x which is not given? Clear. Through the direct method. Why should I have to involve myself into a shortcut or step deviation method? I'll go for the direct method. When nothing is specified, I can opt for any method, as I've already told you. So I'll go for the direct method. Let me just go for the direct method. And what do I observe? I observe in the direct method we have a formula of summation fx upon summation f. है ना? So what I have to compute? Of course you all know what next I'm going to compute. I'm going to compute fx. ठीक है? तो अभी मुझे fx निकालना है. That is 25 into 110, because x is 110, frequency is 25. So 25 into 110, that will be 2750. ठीक, साथ साथ करिए आप लोग, मुझे आंसर्स दीजिए प्लीज. 112 into 17. So 112 is the wages, 17 is the frequency given. So 112 into 17, that will be 1904. Next fx is 113 into 13. 113 into 13. Please find out and let me know. By the time I'm also calculating. 69, 1469. So that comes out to be 1469. Now next is 117 into 15. 117 into 15, that comes out to be 1755. Now next is question mark into 14. अब देखो मैं F नहीं लिख सकता because frequency तो given है. What should I write this? I just want to know answer from you people. What should I write here? Should I write 14F? No, Ankita has given the correct answer, and even for the first. Of course, we are going to write very good. I'm getting answers from others also. So many answers I couldn't take name. I would be writing is as 14x. Very good. Why x? Because x is missing. Take. Now next is 125 into 8. 125 into 8. What do I get? 1000. Then 128 into 6. 128 into 6. That is 768. And last but not the least, 130 into 2. Very simple. 260. Clear? So this is the this is the fx which
Given
is
to
given
me.
to me. Now let me find out the total. जरा
करते
total
हैं इसका.
करते हैं इसका. Because I need to compute the total also. है ना? तो जरा total करो इसका. Please do the total and tell me what it is coming, and plus don't forget to do one thing, that you are not going to include 14x into the total, because 14x element I don't know. I have written 14x, but there is some other element which I don't know, so I'm not going to write that. So kindly do the total by releasing or not including that 14x. Very good, Gav. We have got 9906 plus 14x. Very good, Gaurav. 9906 plus 14x. ये हम लोगों को मिल गया है. And this is the of course total. ठीक है, यहाँ तक हमारा हो गया है total. Let's move further. अब चलते हैं हम लोग आगे. So अच्छा, let's do one thing. Do the total of frequency also, please. Frequency का भी total कर लीजिए, because of course we need the total of frequency also ना. तो frequency का भी total कर लीजिए और मुझे बताइए कितना आ रहा है frequency का total. बताइए what total is coming for the frequency. 100. Very good. चलिए, let's move further. Now apply the formula. For applying formula, again I know that mean is equals to summation fx, summation fx, because this is discrete series na, so I need that summation fx upon summation f. This is the formula. Clear? Just put the formula easily and you will get the answer. Question arises how? I'll show you how. Mean is given in the question, 115.86, that is already given in the question, is equals to summation fx, हमें already पता है 9906 plus 14x हमने निकाला था अभी, divided by summation f, that is 100. आ गई मेरे पास equation. I got the equation. Now it becomes very simple to compute further. 115.86 cross multiply करो उसको. 115.86, and when I multiply this, जब मैं इसको multiply करूं, 1 second. When I multiply this with 100, then equals to me, we have 9906 plus 14x. ठीक है? So by multiplying, what do I get? I simply get 11586. 11586 is equals to 9906 प्लस 14x। ठीक, यही आया मेरे पास। अभी यहाँ से 14x को अलग कर दो। 14x इज इक्वल्स टू 11586 माइनस हो जाएगा 9906। So 14x is equals to what I'm getting, 11586 minus 9906. I get 1680. 1680. From here, x comes out to be 1680 divided by 1680 divided by 14. And what x I am getting? I'm getting x out to be 14 1 the 14 to 120. That is your answer. ये आ गया आपका आंसर। हाँ जी। So I hope this missing frequency question in continuous series as well as in discrete series is clear to everyone, or still you find any doubt here? If you have, kindly tell me, kindly let me know. Ritika, 1680 divided by 14 is 120. That is 120 only. Garv, that is 9906 only. Please check your answer once again. I hope this is clear to everyone.